I am going to IKEA today. It is currently 6:30 p.m. in the evening, but IKEA closes at 9, so we're gonna make it in time. But I just wanted to get a few additional things to decorate my studio space. I have decided to start freelancing on the side. I have been at for like a total of 6 years now, and for 3 of those years I was or am a makeup artist. Now that I'm going to graduate very soon, I just thought that it would be a good time to try out freelancing, see where it goes, because I feel like when I'm working like a big girl 9-to-5 office job, I won't have this creativity anymore. I don't know why it took me so long to think about that word, but anyway, some orders of business. I need to get a rug. I also need to buy some curtains, and I'm thinking of maybe getting like a pillow and a throw and maybe a floor lamp or something. We'll see. Anyway. In the curtains section, and I actually had a few things that I saw online. Just loaded everything into my car. We're on the way home now, and we're going to assemble everything and zhuzh the space up and put it all together. Hopefully I chose the right rug. I was literally at the rug section for what felt like 30 minutes. I shouldn't have spent 30 minutes there. I probably wasn't there for 30 minutes, but it genuinely felt like 30 whole minutes. This setup slayed. I don't know. I ended up deciding on the bigger rug. Hopefully, fingers crossed, that fills up the space. We don't know. We'll see how it goes. My camera battery is about to run out, so I will see you guys all back at my studio. Bye! And welcome to my space. Now I'm just gonna have to fully say that it has been probably like a month since I last filmed, but I have finally set up my studio space to like 80% of where I like it. But I'm just gonna give you a little tour. We've got my working station here, the little nook that I've made so that people can put their bags there, and then obviously some plants and plants and more plants. So I have a confession to make. I never charged my camera battery, and so it ran out of battery when I was filming some clips of the studio space. But I'm currently back at home filming on my phone right now. If you've enjoyed the video so far and you've stayed till the very end, thank you so much for watching. If you want to follow along my artistry journey, my Instagram handle is here. But give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you want. But until then, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye!